This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, fine. Right. So from that moment, what is that? Once again, so let me check something. Okay, right inside. Okay, so okay, so now you can see to that in my screen. Okay, I just created. There is that one website. Okay, so based on that, already we done it. Okay, that Corona COVID-19 the cases. Okay, we just already we created right some kind of cases we done it in our India, in which state we have that more number of cases. Okay, so you just take a look from this website. Okay, so it is just like what is that navigator bar. You can see to that. Okay, it is little. Okay, one second. Let me show you that. Okay, I'm going to play. Okay, so here you can able to see that there is that one website. Okay, here I can able to have that play button, right? So if I click that play button, okay, you can see that automatically from the range of from the particular day of February 2022, okay, it is moving up to that April 27th of 2020. Okay, so little animations work. Okay, in which are that country they have that more number of cases. Okay, in that graphical things. Okay, so United States and then next India and then France. Now it is changing the names. You can see from that graphical things. Okay, right. So this is that thing what we're going to look up. Okay, so from sessions. Okay, how we can able to create this type of little attractive uh, what is that animation works with in graphically. Okay, so we need to present. Okay, so different type of country. Okay, so United States, then United Kingdom and Germany and France and Canada, then India. Okay, so we have the different countries will help we can able to easily understand in that visualize. This is that exactly what we can able to talk about the data visualized. Okay, so in visualized I can able to see that. Okay, so which are the countries they have that more number of cases. Okay, so till that time now you can see that from the timeline is moving from the uh, okay April, now it's May 10th, 13th, 7th, 18th, it's keep on it's gone up to that. What is that? The day of April 27th of 2022. That means from that yesterday. From the till that we have some reports. Okay, this is the real time one applications. Okay, real time in that website. They are collecting information from them. They are uploading into the data sets. It is working with that. Okay, if I have some data set with this COVID-19, how I can able to perform with this different platforms. Okay, do you understand this? So this is what we're going to target from today's concept. Okay, so is it clear for everyone? So let's start our sessions today. Who are today's session? Aliyah, Ananya, Kritika, Prakash, Manvita, Nitya, Sanjana, Shakti, Spreya, Surabhi. Okay, fine. Right. So let's start our session. You just check into that chat window. Is it clear? Shall we start? Yeah, fine. Right. Okay. Now, um, this data set is already I just shared. Okay, in our WhatsApp group. Okay, if you can just look at that one more time, I can able to make it more. I'll just minimize this. Okay, so there's a data set which we're going to use for this application. So that is that name can be called as what is that COVID-19 India. Okay, so in that data visualized, it is there in that format of world. Okay, right, in throughout that country. So what is the data? Okay, how it is working? Okay, we just checked it, but from this concept in India for the state wise, how we can able to create one animation format. Okay, got it clear, right? So when the time, if you are working with that, what is that? For the presentation wise, it will be looks good. Okay, fine. So this data set, if you don't have, I can able to share in our WhatsApp group once that our session is get ended. Okay, so this task we just keep for your what is that? Make yourself more confident. Okay, if you are created this what is that? Little animation graphs. Okay, right. So let's start with that. So the today's the I'll take a note to create animation chart by using pages. Okay, right? So that means in pages we used filters, but we not yet used pages. So today we're going to work with overall almost all the concepts we're going to touch with this type of exercises. Okay, particular, right? So this part will be get very well interesting format. Okay, so let's continue with that. If you have any issues, if you couldn't able to understand, you just I'll keep that chart window in that right hand side. You just text that. I can repeat one more time. Okay, right? So that's all. So this is what we're going to start now. Okay, I can start this Tableau. So once that Tableau is get started, I can get the data. Okay, in my desktop location, it is CSV file format. It is not Excel file. It is CSV file format. So once if it is get started, we can import the data, and then we can make that things has to be get work. Okay, got it. And then later what we can able to do, we can create our performance. That Excel performance rating is there, right? So based on that we can able to start work, and then I can create one dashboard now. So this dashboard, it is not final one. Okay, you can take one more day. That means tomorrow. Why? Because we have exam on 29th from tomorrow. In our WhatsApp group, you can able to get that the timing, and then some people you are telling that sir, it is not working. You can't able to log in. It not get activated. Okay, it takes some time. That means from tomorrow is that particular the day is right. So 29. Okay, that moment it will get start work with that. So no issues, no worry about it. Okay, fine. So now I can start with that continue trial. Okay, I can close. So the first I said that COVID-19 India, the data source which I have, okay, it is there in my desktop location. Okay, got it clear. So this is what we're going to use. Okay, so I can make it import in our Excel. I can click this text file. Okay, right? I can click on this text file. Then it is there in my desktop location, COVID-19. I will select on this, and I'm going to choose open button. So once if I click open, all of that columns, okay, right? So whichever the related columns, we can able to get it here. Okay, that's a COVID-19 India dot what is that CSV file format. Okay, I can just click on this file. Okay, immediately you can able to get all the data columns from that preview bar. Okay, got it clear, right? In preview bar, serial number, it's automatically generated, date, time, and then state and union, territory, then confirmed what is that, Indian nation, and confirmed foreign nation. Okay, some columns we can find. Okay, and confirmed cases also which is available. Okay, if you can able to make it see clearly. Okay, right? So can you see this? Okay, so the moment from that right hand side, so cure deaths, and then confirm. Okay, so this is what we're going to need to work with that. So in that particular day, which day it is, that day. Okay, particular, right? So that means the first month of 30th of January 2022, that particular time in Kerala, there will be a one number of cases get confirmed. So that particular day, and the next day what make it happen. So next day, that means in 31st of January, okay, but in 2002, there will be a one more cases get confirmed. That means till the date, okay, got it, till the date it will be a one, and the next day two cases is confirmed, okay, right? So the total around still it will be there three cases. So each day there will be a number of cases which is available, okay. So now how we can able to see that in that presentation window? So let's start now. So first I'm going to click on this sheet. So from the left hand side you can able to see the dimensions and then measures is created, right? So from the left hand side you can see to that dimensions. From that below you can able to see the measures, okay, got it clear, right? So what is that I want? So today we're going to target this confirmed measures and then this state and union territory, okay, got it clear, right? And next we're going to target with this date column, okay, got it clear, right? So we're going to target with this date column and then we're going to target with this confirmed, okay, right, in confirm, okay, from this confirm, and then we're going to target with that state and union territory. I don't want to view all the states, okay, so top 10 states we can able to make it display, okay, top 10 or top 15, okay, let's start that over, okay, got it clear, right? So that moment easily we can able to get that from the till the date, okay, how the graphically state wise the number of cases can able to we can able to make it display in animations format, okay. Is it clear for everyone? So let's check into that chat window. It's clear? Yeah, Manvita, okay, Ananya, Kritika, Nitya, Sanjana, is it clear? Shreya, Surabhi, is it clear? Yeah, fine. Right. Okay. Right. Fine. Okay. So the first step, okay, right? So first step, I'm going to drag this, what is that, confirmed cases, and I'm going to apply into that columns. Okay. For this exercise, you must need to use that reference. Okay. Got it clear, right? So I just dragged that confirmed cases. I applied into the column section. That is what the first step. And step number two, the state you can able to make it drag, and state and union territory is there, right? That you can able to make it drag and then you can apply into the color sections. Okay, got it clear, right? So from the right hand side you can see that all the state and union territories will be displayed from the right hand side corner, but I don't want all the things. Okay, why I need all the states? Okay, so you can make it control only top 10 is enough, right? So for that we can drag that state and union territories, you can apply into that filter sections. Okay, got it clear, right? So take that state, you can apply into that based on sum of confirmed top 10 we can able to make it. So I will drag that state. This is a step number 3. Okay, so what is it, step number 3? So first step, I drag that confirm, I applied into that column sections. Number 2, I dragged that state, I applied into that colors. Okay, for that color sections I applied. And step number 3, I can take that state and union territory, I can apply into that filter sections. So here what I want, I need to use top 10. I can go with that top option. Okay, got it clear, right? By field. Okay, here you can able to see that by field I'm going to make it top 10 or top 15. That is up to your design. Okay, got it clear, right? It's based on the requirements you can use this. I'm going to give only top 10. Okay, got it clear, right? So top 10, I'm going to click apply and then OK button. Okay, got it clear, right? I'm going to click apply and OK button. So once if I click apply and OK, I'll get only that 10 state. Okay, got it clear, right? So only 10 states in the top I can able to get it. From the right hand side, can you see this? It will be displayed. Okay, got it clear, right? So Andhra Pradesh, Chandigarh, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, and then Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and West Bengal. So all the names of the states can able to display from top 10. So this, I just want to see that in animation format. That is what our main target. Okay, so this is that step number 3. We have to supposed to do that. Okay, so once if you've done that, and I need to create one calculated field. Okay, so got it clear, right? So what is that calculated field? I want to know that in rank wise. So last we done it, right? In last class we used rank and rank dense, then rank modified, and one more very important rank function is there. That is what rank unique. Okay, got it clear, right? So rank unique in the sense for the rank wise, when it is making move from the bar, okay, it has to be get display. Okay, it has to go for display between that two states. Okay, right? So now from that, after completing these 3 steps, create one calculated field here. Okay, got it clear, right? So I can do the right click here, and I'm going to click on this create calculated field. Okay, got it clear, right? So I can click that create calculated field. I'm going to give that the name as can be called as our ranking state. Okay, just for why? Because it needs to go for higher wise. Okay, right? It's in topper. Okay, so if it is running in animation, okay, so which state it is more number of cases that should comes from the top. You understand clear, right? So for that purpose we are creating this column. So the column which I created, our ranking state, and I'm going to use one function can be called as rank unique. Okay, right? If you give the rank, so from last session we used rank dense, and then modified. We not yet used rank unique. Okay, got it clear, right? So this functions is very important. And then rank unique, and use that sum function, drag that confirmed cases, and then you can able to make it applied, and then you just please close this brackets. Okay, got it clear, right? So that's it. So this is the formula you have to be keep it in mind. So rank unique sum, inside that you have to apply the bracket can be called as confirmed. Okay, got it clear, right? So once if you've done it, okay, right? So you have to make mark with this what is that this formula rank unique sum confirmed, and click that word of apply, and then okay button. Okay, fine, clear. So now we created this what is that our ranking state. Now you just drag this ranking state column, apply into that row sections. Okay, right? Is it clear for everyone? So this is that step number 4 okay, right? So in step number 4 you need to create a calculated field with some name, and then you need to drag and then apply into that row sections. Okay, is it clear for right? Any doubts up to this, or shall I repeat again one more time? Any doubts here? Yeah, Manvita. Okay, right, fine. Sanjana, Shreya, is it clear, right? And what about Ananya, Alia, Kritika? Yeah, Shakti, fine. Yeah, okay, fine. So this is that 4th step we need to target. Okay, fine. So once we done it, okay, we need to do some few more works. Okay, why? Because this is that there is that one more design. I don't want this type of design. Why? Because I can't able to see clearly, right? Okay, it's just like a bubble. Okay, so it is displaying in the bubble chart. So I don't need bubble chart. I want in bar chart. In so many places in Facebook or in Instagram, you've seen that type of the design instead of the graphs. So you can see that what is that outcome is going to get happen. Okay, right? So it will be very good for our design. Okay, fine. So what I'm going to do, right? This our ranking state, I'm going to do that. Some few things. I'll do right click over on here. Okay, got it clear, right? You need to do the right click and you have to choose the compute using. Okay, got it clear? I'm going to right click on this ranking state. Okay, you need to do the right click on the rank state and go to that compute using, and I'm going to click on the state and union territory, right? So I can choose this. So if I choose, what is happened, it is get converted into that bubble with that higher values. Okay, got it clear, right? And the last one more step, same our ranking state, make it right click, and from here you can able to see to that it is in discrete format. Okay, so continuous in the sense it will be there in that some continuous values. I can able to change into the discrete. So discrete is nothing but once if I click, you can see that how the transformation is happened. Okay, fine. Now this is what we're going to see. Okay, but still, sir, for this color wise, how we can able to understand, sir? From that first color, Maharashtra will comes under this gold orange color, and then second state, what is that, Karnataka, and then next state, what is that, Kerala, and then next one in color wise in Tamil Nadu. Okay, I couldn't able to understand. Okay, right, for the color wise, we can able to make it name it. Okay, later, no issues. Okay, so once if you done it, okay, got it clear, right? So once if you done this, so what we can able to do, I can able to take that, okay, right? I can able to take a state column. I'm going to apply into that, sorry, label. Okay, now already it is there, right? I can take that state, I'm going to apply into that label sections. Okay, take that state and leave off into that label. Now you can see to that each bar contains that states. Okay, right? So Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. I don't need to place my cursor over on that each bars. Okay, got it clear, right? So this is what we have to supposed to do, right? So fine. So once if you done this, so what is the next one? Okay, right? So my question is, I need to go for what is that day wise. Okay, every day what is the case number of cases, the things has to get work. Okay, right? So this is what we have to supposed to work. Now there will be a column. Okay, right? There will be a column with date column is there, right? So this date column you can able to make it drag and then apply into that pages. This page option is very important for animation works. Okay, got it clear, right? So what I'm going to do, I drag that state, sorry, I drag that date, I'm going to apply into the pages. Okay, right? Is it clear, right? So again, I will tell you that drag the date column, you can able to apply into that pages. Okay, right? So once if you done it, I don't want to date wise, I want in day wise. I'll do right click here. Okay, got it clear, right? So right click and then you can able to choose as day format. That's it. So now it's ready. Okay, so day wise, how it is going to get start to work in that pages. Now it's ready with that concept. And from the below, you can able to see that from the right hand side. Okay, from the right hand side, you can see that the day is there. Okay, there will be a number one, and then if it is scroll bar, it is happened, and then some number is getting moving on. All right, clear? So this we will see that. So now I instead of name, okay, so instead of numbers, so that's sorry, instead of name of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, okay, right? So what I need, you see that some changes is happening. Okay, why? Because I clicked the play. Now it's 22. Can you see this? The state name is getting little, what is that? Little blinks. Okay. So now I can able to make it stop. Okay. Right. I'll remove that from the right hand side. You can't able to get that. What is that? I'll remove this. Okay. That scroll you can't able to get it. And this I don't need that. I will hide it off. Okay. So this presentation is not required. I will do right click. I can able to hide that card. Okay. I need that slider only. So again, I'll tell you now, drag the date and apply into the pages. Okay, got it clear? So from that moment, you can do the right click and choose as day format. Okay, right? So from that moment, you can able to see that day, date. Okay, right? So 10 okay, it is just a number, okay, right? So in each day, what are the things is happened, okay, right? So you can able to understand it. Let it be there as 1, okay. Now I want the confirmed cases in that, name it as label. So I dragged that confirmed and I'm going to apply into that label also. Okay, got it clear, right? So now you can able to see that Maharashtra, what is the total numbers? Okay, got it clear, right? And what is the total number of 5, 4, 7, 6, 1, 2, 8? Okay, got it clear, right? So everything is get displayed, right? Now I'm going to do that presentation mode. I'm going to click on this presentation mode. Okay, right? And then I'm going to click on this play button. So there is some changes. I will start from 0. Okay, right? So little bit one small changes we can able to do that. Okay, got it clear, right? So we can able to start work with that 0 point. Why? Because it is gone with that total the last value, right? So we can able to make changes for what is it, the starting value from this location. So here you can able to see that there will be a confirmed cases column, right? I'll do the right click, edit access. Can you see this edit access? Okay, I click this edit access moment. Okay, so here I need to start from that 0. Okay, right? So there will be an interval position. Okay, got it clear, right? So there will be an interval positions will be there. Yeah, I chose everything is okay and filter is done. Yeah, automatically I can able to make a move. Okay, I need to make it in bar chart. It's fine. Okay, so now everything is okay. Now I can able to make it down. Yeah, day wise is there. No, this day wise. Okay, so this you have to choose, not that day. Okay, you have to choose from this day. Okay, right? So if you choose this day, now I can able to make it run. I click on this run. Now you can see that now the Kerala contains 3 number of cases in February 6, in February 7, automatically. Okay, it will keep on, it will get start to run. And still it is February 4th, 14, 15, 16, 17, 2020. Still only 3 cases. Let's wait for some few minutes. February 27, 29, March 1st. Okay, in March 1st, we are getting some data in Uttar Pradesh and then Kerala and Tamil Nadu got 1 cases. Okay, so instead of looking at here, so what we can able to do, we can able to make it visualized in that big screen. Right? Yeah, I need to play. So Uttar Pradesh is contained March 15th of 13 cases. That is what in topper. Second one is Delhi 10, and next Andhra Pradesh and Chhattisgarh is 1, and Maharashtra will 74 cases. Okay, so we need some bars. Okay, why? Because the value is more. From that below that axis, can you see this? The value is 500K it is. Okay, let's make it little short. Okay, right? So what I will do, I can able to make it right click here. Then I can go to that options can be called as edit axis. Okay, right? From that moment, I can able to go with that options can be called as tick marks. Okay, right? So it's the value of 500K. I can able to make it little short. Okay, right? So right click here, then you can able to find that options can be called as edit axis here. So once if I click this edit axis, I can choose with that tick marks. Fine. So this tick marks is there, right? And I'm going to click this options for fixed. Okay, right? So the tick origin is 0 and the tick interval. Okay, I don't want this much of intervals. Let's be little short. Can you see this? That interval is get reduced. Okay, 460k. Still, I'm going to make it reduce some few things. 1000 cases. Okay, right? 100 cases. Okay, let it be there 1000 cases. Okay, got it clear, right? So we need to wait for some time. Okay, so select this tick marks from the below. Okay, right? It is going to change. Okay, right? If I put 100, that interval time. Okay, fine. So I just given 100 now. I can close it off. Then I can able to run. I'll start to play with this. So still I need to customize that column. Okay. Again, I'll do right click here. Edit axis. Here I can able to click this fixed one. So it's gone with that much of data. Okay, so let it be there little short. So now 52,800. Okay, I'll check for like this. Okay, little bit. In general, I reduced that size. Why? Because for this animation work. Okay, right? I reduced the size and then that marks which I'm giving for 1000. Okay, right? The 1000 intervals. So now you can able to clearly you can see to that how that animation is work is happening. I can start play with this. Now you can see to that how that color variation is happening. So in April 29, 30, 2020, okay, so still I can make some little bigger interval time. Instead of 100, I'll do right click edit axis. In the ticks, I can make it one more. I'll run. Start. So before it is moving with that 100, 100, 100, okay, right? So at interval time. Now here you can able to understand that a little bit more. And then one more. Okay, so that some of the state not visible, right? I can change into that instead of standard, I can give entire view. Okay, got it clear, right? So this moment it will be looks good. I'll start play with this now. Now, from the moment you can easily can able to understand. So automatically able to make it track. Okay, so Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu and Delhi is that third place, and then for the Rajasthan, and then Uttar Pradesh, then West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Kerala and Chandigarh. So it's moving. Let's wait whether that status get changing or not. Let's wait with this. Let's see. Yeah. So Rajasthan has gone down and Uttar Pradesh is very top. Yeah, now Delhi is gone second. Now Tamil Nadu is gone second. So Karnataka is little bit going into that some range of scale, right? So is it clear for right? Any doubts for this presentation view? Is it clear? Any doubts? Kritika, Sanjana, Manvita, Shreya, is it clear? Okay. Okay, Tilokesh, you are late. Ananya, is it clear? Okay, so this is one simple presentations. Okay, fine, clear. So most of the time in so many apps, we are just seeing that. Okay, so how we can able to create all the things we can able to work with this type of Tableau applications, right? So small video, you can able to create in a video to make it post. Okay, fine, fine, right. Okay, okay, Kirti, right. So that this is that thing. Okay, right. In presentations, we can able to make it clear, right? Understand? So this is one point. Okay, right. So this is that thing which we need to discuss. I'll press escape button. Okay, one second. I'll just press again one more time escape button to out of my presentation. It got stuck. Okay. Okay, I clicked on exit my presentations. Okay, got it clear, right? So the moment when we are making this type of such few designs, okay, right? So easily we can able to make it mark. Okay, got it clear? So this is first one. So now we have some still half an hour more. Okay, let's start with that our design. So I'm going to take one more new sheet. Okay, got it clear, right? I'm going to take a new sheet or better I can able to go with that one more new value. Okay, right? The moment our final presentation, the moment I will save this file. One second, let me save this file. Okay, now we're going to target this. Okay, got it clear, right? We're going to target this final session and then some of the names. Let's start with this. Okay, I can select the names up to that the total task. Okay, got it clear, from the name column to total task of 14. So sorry, 13 tasks. The last one can be called as total task column. I'll just make it control C. I just taken copy. Okay, got it clear, right? So I just pressed selection of this and I made it as a copy of this application. So, okay, fine, clear, right? And I'm going to take this Tableau application now. Okay, so I can start with this continue. Okay, now I need to bring that whatever I just copied in that what is that, the data. Yeah, I will tell to my team people to share that what is it, yesterday video. Okay. Yeah, this week. 1 second, let me check in. Yeah, up to 22nd. Okay, up to 22nd, they shared it. Okay. So 25th. Yeah, 25th is also shared. And what about 26th? Yeah, it's not done. So 2 days we need to. Okay, I'll tell them. Okay, right? I'll tell them to share that video. 26th and then 27th needs to get shared. Okay, I'll tell them to share that video. Okay, fine. So let's start. Yeah, it's clear. Okay, right? Yeah. So now, so I just taken this copy of this of the Excel or format. Okay, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this data and I'm going to choose as paste option. So let me check. All the data will be taken care by a Tableau application. It takes some few minutes to execute what is that SQL query. Okay, automatically will be all the columns and dimensions and measures will be get classified into the different sections, right? So yeah, it takes some time. So now everything will be fetched. Okay, got it clear, right? So the names along with that, whatever that you task you completed, right? So that you done it. Okay, got it clear, right? So now I don't want this. What is that? That task. Okay. So I said right. So you can able to convert and format that values into what is a decimal into integers, right? For example, right click here and go for that format. Okay. In that number format, number you can able to go with that custom. You can reduce some to decimals. Automatically it will happen. So simultaneously you need to work for all the tasks. Okay, right? So as of now I'm not required. My task is only the last column of this total task column. This is what my target. Okay, got it clear, right? So let's start. Now I can take one more new sheet. Okay, I'll just bring that all of your names here, right? Alia, Ananya, Clydia, Kirti, Lokesh, and Kritika, then Manvita, and Meghna, Nitya, Sanjana, Samya, and Shakti, Shreya, Surabhi, and Tanya and Trisha. So all of your names, I just dragged it here. Now, the task is the total task if people completed, right? So that I can able to make it, bring it inside in our chat. Okay, got it clear, right? So here you can able to see that. Okay, right? So you can able to see that the total number of the task you can complete it. Okay, right? So right now the people what is that Kirti, Lokesh, the 14 tasks they completed, and then one more Surabhi is also completed this 14 tasks, and then some names which we created, right? So based on that, what I will do, I can make some charts here. Okay, got it clear, right? So some charts you can able to click and you can able to make it generate. Okay, right? So this is a chart, and I can able to make it turn back. Okay, I just turned that charts here. Now you can see that I have some of few people's. Okay, how many what is that assignments you people are completed. Now what I wanted in ascending order, right? What I will do, from here I can able to make it click here from that ascending order, or descending order I can able to make it order here, or else from that location also you can able to use this ascending or descending order from the top of the menu. Okay, right? So I want that here you can able to see I have some of the names. It should be there in that first order. So for example, you think, okay, right, Surabhi and Kirti, okay, right? So you two people are done this 14 tasks, but the prior, if you make something like priority wise. So 2 days back, I just completed this task. Okay, just for scenario, okay, right? It is not like in a personal things. So I am going to make the first person into that first location, and Surabhi, I'm going to make it. Your data should be there that second. That means how you can able to arrange the bars from that priority wise. Okay, got it clear, right? So from here, I can't able to do anything. Why? Because if I do ascending order or descending order, what is happening? Okay, So from the alphabetical order, it will go and sit. That is the Tableau can able to do. Okay, I can't able to make. So here you can see that Shakti and Sanjana, Nitya and Manvita. So this four people, okay, got it clear, right? So in this four sections, so Nitya will have the more priority in this 12 task. So I need to shift this Nitya into that third place. Okay, but all of the people are 12 tasks you completed, but I need to make it in that first order. So how we can able to do now? Okay, right? So first what I will do, I can take all of your names and I'm going to apply into the color sections. Yeah. So now I'm getting that each people, they have some different colors, right? So let it be there. Now, instead of standard, I'm going to make it entire view. That moment it will be looks good. Okay, fine. So I need to shift this people. Okay, I need to shift now. From here, can you see this name section is there, right? I can do the right click on this name and there is an options can be called as sort. Okay, got it clear, right? I can click this sort and that moment there will be a one dialog box will get opened up. There will be a nested sort. Okay, already it is sorted, but I'm going to do that manual sort from this order. I'll choose this nested. Here, can you find the manual options? Okay, right? One more time, I'll repeat. I want the shift. Kirti should be there in that first, and then Surabhi should be there in the next. Okay, from this, what is the date wise for that assignment? And same similar kind from here, you can able to see that four people are here. I need to shift this. Nitya should be there in that first, and next Shakti should be there, and then Sanjana, and then what is that? No, no. First Nitya, and then Manvita and Shakti and Sanjana. So I want it in that order. Okay, so little bit. Okay, it is not actual result. I really forgot. Okay, right? So it is not like an what is that rank one. Just how we can able to do that, adjusting that your bars. Okay, I'll do the right click here, and I'm going to click on the sort. Okay, right? And I'm going to choose this options can be called as manual. Okay, got it clear, right? So manually, now I'm going to change the names. You can see that when I click this manual, every people will go on with that alphabetical order or some things. Now, what is my first task? I need to choose that name can be called as Kirti Lokesh. I selected the name. Here you can able to see that that up and down arrow marks is there, right? I'm going to make it move little. That particular bar can able to make it top. Okay, got it clear, right? And second, I need to choose that Surabhi, and I can able to select. I'm going to make it move from that. So you automatically the bar you can able to make it and you can able to fix up. Okay, right? So I need to make it top. Okay, fine. And then next, I need to choose that Nitya or Manvita. Okay, so both maybe that at a time you people are done. Okay, right? I can choose Nitya from that next. Yeah, and then I'm going to choose Manvita, right? So next Shakti, sorry, and then next Sanjana. Okay, right? So little I need to make it more, right? Yeah, perfect. And then I need to make it more that Kirti. Okay, I need to make it more your name. Okay, so next Samya, I need to change. Yeah, perfect, all good, right? So this is what, okay, so manually you can also make it sort. Okay, you can also start with that names. Okay, this is that one thing I need to discuss with that. Okay, right? So almost we need to start our dashboard design. Okay, right? Is it clear for everyone? Right? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's everyone check into that chat window. Ananya, Kritika, Manvita, Nitya, is it clear? Sanjana, any doubts? Yes, fine. Okay, okay, right. Right. Okay, let's continue. Okay, fine. So now the final presentation of today's sessions. Okay, so what we're going to do now. So from here in this design, I'm going to make it complete black. Okay, right? The final presentation of your session. Okay, I can go to this format option. I'm going to click on this, what is it? Shading. Okay, got it clear, right? I'm going to click on the shading now. This entire worksheets, I'm going to click on black. Okay, got it clear, right? So there will be a okay, right? I'm going to use this black options. Okay, fine. I choose as black, and then from that sheet name, okay, got it clear, right? I'm going to make it name as MCC. Okay, I'll mention that Tableau performance rating. Okay, I just make it in that center of the location. I can make it bold, and then for the color I can choose this bold color. Okay, there will be some reason I'm going to choose this one. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to click apply button, and what is it? Okay button. Fine. Now for the names also I need to make it change some colors. Okay, right? So I can choose that name section. For the name also I'm going to choose, what is that? Bold, right? Clear? And then make it little bold. And I don't need any bars. Okay, so let's this rows divider, everything and all I can able to make it close here. And some column also I can choose, what is it, bold, and then I can make it little apply, right? Pants, all the things I can able to make it in the center of the location. The columns, rows. Okay, I don't need that any drop lines. Everything I can able to make it none. Okay, fine. Almost I'm done that. Okay, got it clear, right? Almost I'm done all the values. Now let's start. Okay, right? So let's this data we can able to make it bring into that. Okay, right, in our dashboard. Okay, got it clear, right? So this data, how we can able to get it into that our dashboards, right? So now I'm going to click on this dashboard now. I can choose this dashboard. Okay, fine. Let's make this data into that floating. Okay, I see to that. I'm going to click on this, what is it, floating options. Okay, right? I can bring into that our dashboard. I'll make it bigger, little more bigger from that full screen. And I don't need that name list. Okay, right? So let's remove this from the dashboard. Okay, fine. Now almost all our data visualizations is ready now. Fine, clear? So little I'll make it, what is that? Okay, fine, almost is over. Now here, fine, clear? Now I need to place images for each one of them. For all the people I'm going to make it place. I'll just make it bring the data here. Okay, I'm going to choose. Okay, in my desktop location, okay, I have one simple image. Okay, right, I given the name as my team. I'm going to choose now apply, and okay, so I can able to make it little short. Yeah, I will apply into the top of the section. Same, I can make it present here. Oops. Okay, right? So I'll just keep, sorry. I'll keep all images to my champ. Okay, so let's try to complete within this days. Okay, fine. So now for this dashboard, okay, we just made some presentations wise. Okay, so little bit I need to add some more few presentations here today. I can go to that image here. I can make it drag. One more image I need to place. I can choose option. I can bring this one more image here. I'll click apply and OK button. Okay, all good. Little I can make it right hand side. Fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, right? So this is one more presentations. So now the next, what I need to do, I'm going to take one simple text. I can place a text here. Okay, got it clear? So for that presentation wise, okay, if you have what is that, some text, okay, got it clear, you can able to make it clear. I'm just adding some few text which I added here, right? Now I can change the color and I can make it little bold. I'll increase that size. I'll click OK button. I'll do edit again. Right. Okay. And one more text I'm going to make it mark. You can increase the font size. Yeah. Right. All good. I'm done. Right. So there's the thing. Okay. Right. So almost we worked so hard for those many days. Okay. Particularly, right. I really appreciate with this, and I hope people really like the Tableau sessions, right? Yeah, and take some more few days. That means why? Because we have to what is it? Work with that marks, and then for that you are needs to submit that your reports, all those things. Okay, you need to see to that. Okay, particular, right? So this is the thing we have to see to that, and some I am expecting some people needs to complete the task also. Okay, but if you have any issues, you just let me know. I'll try to fix up that your the issues. Okay, if it is that you can't able to make it login, or you can't able to make it uploading the data into our what is that public profile. Okay, got it clear, right? So we can able to make it clear. So that moment we can able to understand what is that, how we can able to solve the problems. Okay, got it clear, right? So these are the things we're going to work with that, right? Understand clear, right? Is it clear for everyone? Any doubts? Let's
Clear.
check into that chat window. Yeah. Any doubts? Is it clear? Yeah. Fine. Okay. Right. 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 Okay. Right. Oh, sure. So I just forward this message to my team people. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'll forward this message to my team people. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. So all good. So yeah. So now I'm happy about this session. Okay. Right. And we concentrate with that MCQ from tomorrow's. Okay. They will put that message in our WhatsApp group. Okay. They will try to make it that what time you can able to start work with that, and how you can able to log in. There will be a one small video. It is there in that what is that, in our WhatsApp group. Okay, you can install that application app. Okay, right, and log in that your name, and from tomorrow you can try. Why? Because still it has not happened with the date, right? So on the date it is generated, the moment you can able to start. Okay, they can able to make it activate your name the moment you can able to log in. You can able to use and concentrate that few words which we discussed, right, in that MCQ question. And in internet you can also try some 4 or 5 times. You can take up an exam MCQ. It will be like easy to crack. It never used to have that much of hard things. Okay, most of the things will be there in that this functions. What can I able to use for, like for example, ground functions, okay, right, and floor function, CL function. So these and all will comes under numbers, okay, concatenate, uppercase, lowercase. It comes under string formats, okay, got it clear, right? So those type of things you can make it clear. And what is meant by discrete? Today we just done the discrete. So what is done that? Okay, what is meant by discrete and what is meant by continuous? Okay, right? How the pills will be there? Okay, right? Measure pills, how, what is the color, and then dimension pills, how, what sorry, what is that color will be there? Okay, got it clear, right? And those type of be able to make it concentrate on it. Okay, right? So mostly it will be get what is that, easy to crack. Okay, I hope what is that, lends a session, and I'll just forward this message, Shakti. Okay, sure. I'll just forward to that my team people. Okay, right? So we can able to do that, whatever the possibilities we have. Okay, right? Okay, see you. Bye. And then first I'll let you know that all the names: Alia, Ananya, Kriti, Lokesh, Manvita, Nitya, Sanjana, Shakti, Shreya, Surabhi. Okay, right, all good. So see you on. Okay, right? And all the best for your exam. Okay, right? I'll end the session.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye. See you.